One thing I missed to actually say that the in the question it will be given 250 weekdays and 4-hour peak in each weekday. This will be given. That is 250 weekdays and 4-hour peak in each weekday. So 400, so 250, so 250 multiplied by 4 will give us 1000 peak hour time. This will be the total peak hour time, and we know that there are 8760 hour per year. So subtracting this value to 1000 give us 7760, that is 7760 hour as peak hour. So in the question it will be given our weekdays and number of peak hour per day. So that will be given in the question. So let's move on to the actually our cost part. We have already calculated the cost. Actually we have already calculated the benefit. We have to calculate the cost. Let's see what is the cost written in the question. Let's see. We have to make actually a table here. We have to make a table. So in making this table, we know that our inflation is 2%, right of way cost, construction cost, maintenance cost are given here. So let's follow this and write a table schedule. Let's make a schedule for cost. We have to make a schedule for cost. Go to the timeline, benefit, not for schedule for cost, both cost and benefit. We will make a schedule for cost and benefit. Benefit, then right of way cost, then make another column for construction cost. Lastly we have to write the maintenance cost. So this is the schedule for cost and benefit. Say in the 0 time our benefit is 0 obviously, and in the start of the project we have to take the right of way cost. This is $100 million. So right here 100 million. There is no construction cost, no maintenance cost at the beginning, and our construction period is 4 years. So for 1 to 4 it will be benefit will be 0. There is no right of way cost. Our construction cost, total construction cost is 1 billion. So 1 billion divided by 4 give us 1 billion, that is 1000 divided by 4 give us 250 million. There is no maintenance cost during construction. In 5 to 29, why I took 29? Because the project life cycle is 30 years. Project is long. Project will be paid off by 30 years. So 5 to 29 will be the project time, and this annual benefit will be obtained during this one, that is 139.72 million. It is 139.72 million. So 139.72 million benefit will be during the 5 to 29 year. In this time there is no right of way cost, no construction cost. However, there is maintenance cost, because in the question, if we look at the question, our maintenance cost is 250 million. Not 250 million. Our maintenance cost is actually written wrongly. Our maintenance cost is 2 million. Our maintenance cost will be 2 million. In that case, write 2 million per year. Write the 2 million here. In the 30th year, at the end of the project, it will also give annual benefit of 139.72 million. The right of way cost will be paid off. That is 100 million will get back as minus 100, and construction cost will be, there is no construction cost. However, maintenance cost will continue, which is given to, I am writing wrong here, not 250, it will be 2 million in the maintenance cost. So now we have the schedule for cost and benefit. Now we have to convert it to present value. Conversion to present value. We have to convert all these costs to present value. So firstly, convert our benefit. Take the benefit. Our benefit, the p value will be a into the formula is 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 I into 1 plus I to the power n, because this present value will given in the each, this is the each value in from 5 to 29, this value is given. So we have to convert this value in the at the beginning of the year. So it will be 139.72, this value into 1 plus I. Our inflation is given in the question is 2%. You can see that the inflation is 2%, which is given. So this value is 2%. So 1 plus 2% is 0.02 to the power n is, our number of year is 29 minus 5 plus 1, because at the end of the year we have to consider one more, which will give us, which from 5 to 29, if we consider 5 to 29, 5 to 29, we have to consider, so we have to consider not actually not like this way. This year will be at the, if we consider subtract the year, this 4 year for construction period, the construction period is 4 year, so our total year remaining up to 30 will be 26, because construction year up to 4 years, so it is become 26, because 4 year construction time will be deducted from the 30 years, so give us the value of 26. So 26 year will be the project time minus 1 as per formula. I is 0.02 into 1 plus 0.02 to the power n is 26, which is 30 minus 4. This 4 will give us the A, that is present value. The present value at the beginning of this 5th year will give 2811.31 million, and this value is at the 5th year, so we have to convert this at the beginning of this year. So to convert this at the beginning of this year, formula is f by 1 plus I to the power n. Our f value, which is at the end of the 5th year, the value is 2811.31, 1 plus I is 0.02 inflation rate, and n is 26 year, will give us 2597.21 million. This is the present value at the beginning of the project, which we want to calculate. Now we have to calculate the present value of our of right of way. For right of way, we have to calculate the present value. The right of way is f plus 1 plus I to the power n, which is 100 million, and 1 plus I is 0.02, and n is 30, because it is given at the beginning of the, it will be get back at the end of the project, so total time is 30, so this value will give 55.21. however, this value is now 55.21. this 55.21 at the end give 100 million will turn to 55.21. so the actual value, actual P will be 100 minus 55.21. This value will be a loss or the cost, which is 44.79 million. Hope we can calculate the right of way, present value of right of way and benefit.